Hello, African friends, ladies and gentlemen. On this occasion, I would like to bless and thank the Ethiopian government for showing me this ancestral symbol of freedom, symbol of equality, symbol of spirituality, and symbol of dignity to all human beings. Here at Adowa Arada Park. Arada Park means downtown park of Ethiopia, Addis Ababa. Once again, I welcome and congratulations for Africans' development, inspiration, and action. Action for generational transformation. No more curse. No more colonial. No more imperialism. This is Milko Brand, the freedom to celebration. Thank you for joining me. Enjoy, come and enjoy. This place is very good for spiritual healing, especially trauma of colonialism. Come and march together. Come and let us march together for equality and equity in this world.